Peugeot 2008 manual Allure Premium. What I didn't have before, but what I do have now. One, automatic headlight dimming. I didn't have that before. I now have it, and it just looks like a perfect factory addition, like it just came with a car. The second thing I have is adaptive cruise control. So I didn't have adaptive cruise control, I just had the regular cruise control. Now I have adaptive cruise control, as in normal, close or far away, and the vehicle will automatically brake and maintain the distance of the car in front. The third thing I didn't have was drive assist. So what you need to make it happen is 4 things. 1, 2, which PSA coding will give you a link of where you can buy this from. This is so this connects into your OBD port and into your laptop, and via this they'll be able to remote through your laptop to do all the coding work. The third thing you need is, in my case, because I was adding this button, the self steer. So before I had just 2. Do you see that the self steer button is missing? So you're probably thinking, I don't want to buy all this. You don't need to buy all this. All you need is the button that goes from a singular to a dual, and this comes off easily, that comes out easily, and you can add that button easily. It's actually very easy. For me, the reason I purchased this was because I bought this as a salvage lot from a salvage yard, and it was cheaper for me to buy the entire thing from the salvage company than it was for me just to buy the switch I needed, which was a green switch, which goes to a dual switch, from a single switch to a dual switch. It was cheaper for me to buy the entire thing from a salvage yard than it was for me just to buy the switch. Plus I could get this from the UK rather than the switch was coming from somewhere like Italy or Lithuania. So that's one of the third things you need. The fourth thing you need is just an internet connection. So laptop, wire that connects into there, the switch if you want to add drive assist, and internet connection.